Okay, so mabilis lang to. MS decisions for selling it at split off or process further. Okay, so madali lang talaga to. Ang problema lang yung pag hindi mo talaga alam yung gagawin or nalito ka or nalimutan mo, sayang naman yung 1 point. So, masterin natin to. Hopefully ganito lang kasimple yung setup no ng problem. So anyway, kung magde-decision ka kung ipa-process further mo ba siya or isa-sell mo na at split off, ito yung formula na kakailanganin mo. So yung if available, mas maganda yung final sales, okay? Sometimes nakukuha yan by deriving, sometimes depende sa blank sa problem. So I hope ganito lang kasimple yung ibibigay nila sa atin. So final sales minus incremental costs, yung additional cost na magagamit mo by processing it further, minus sales at split off. By deducting sales at split off, you're technically comparing kung may kinita ka ba, may kikita ka ba by processing it further or wala naman. So the rule is, kung positive yung result dito, you process it further. If negative, then you just sell at split off. Malulugi ka lang by incurring additional costs and parang sayang yung effort in a sense, di ba? Parang ganun. Anyway, let's get this done. If the company follows a strategy to maximize total profit, what will be the total revenue generated? Okay, so let's make the decision. For W, follow natin yung formula. That's 15,000 minus 25 minus 10,000. So, meron ka pang 2,500 na kikitain pag ibinasas mo further. So, decision, we process it further. Okay? So, next would be 35,000 minus 3,000 minus 30,000. Okay? That's 2,000 pa na additional kita. Well, sayang. Kunin natin yan. Let's press further. The next one, product Y, 25,000 minus 4,000 minus 20,000. That's 1,000 additional kita. Let's get that. Okay, so the next one, 45,000 minus 6,000 minus 40,000. Well, this one, medyo lugi. Pag prinasas further pa natin. So, let's just sell this one at split off point. So, yeah, this is a cross. Okay, so when it comes to revenue, yun yung tanong niya kasi, magkano ang magiging revenue niya sa lahat-lahat ng product niya kung ginawa niyang i-maximize yung total profit. Okay, so by doing that, i-account natin ito. Ito, yung mga pinili lang natin or no, yun yung mga pinagdesisyonan natin na ipa-process further. Of course, tapos yung isa na i-sell natin na split off, so magiging sales natin for that one is this one. So that's 40,000 plus 15,000 plus 35,000 plus 25,000. Our answer would be 115. Okay, so ganun lang siya kasimple. No? Summary, kailangan alam mo to, i-compare mo lang simply. May mga ways, other ways to actually solve this problem. No? Pero again, sayang naman. Sayang kung hindi natin makuha. Well, I think I missed to incurred up to split off point or 200. After the split off, I think immaterial naman to. So, again, you just want to make decisions on those line items or kung iba-iba yung mga produkto mo. So, there. Hindi lang ito yung pwede niyang tanongin, no? Sometimes, bibigyan kanya ng how much would be the net income after the decision, after selling all the products with the decision that they have decided. So, of course, kailangan mong aralin kung ano yung naging decision nila. Ayun. Madali lang ang split off. I just wanna compare yung situation where the entity will have the best profit or maximize profit, I should say. So, bye bye.